Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. Hey everyone, as I'm sure you've heard, Cricut is coming out with two new machines on June 10th. They are the Explorer 3 and the Maker 3. There are mixed feelings out there about these new releases. Today I'm going to be looking at the Maker 3 specifically, and going over the differences between it and the original Maker to help you decide if you want to make the upgrade. First of all, if you're wondering, did I miss the Maker 2? Let me put your mind at ease, there is no Maker 2. Cricut went straight from the Maker to the Maker 3. If you already have the Maker, there are a lot of things on the new Maker 3 that are the same. Let's go over the similarities first. The overall look and size are still the same. Both machines have a handy docking station to put on your iPad or your iPhone, lots of storage in the compartments to keep your extra blades and tools in, and both of them can cut the same materials so far. With over 300 materials to work with, they are both top of the line for cutting standard materials like vinyl and cardstock, as well as delicate materials like crepe paper or thick materials like balsa wood. Both the Maker and the Maker 3 can use all the same blades right now. There is some speculation that new blades will come out that will only work on the new Maker 3 and not the original model, but that is yet to be seen. Both machines can use all the tools in the Cricut lineup. There are over 13 different tools to choose from, and they're for cutting, writing, scoring, foiling, and embellishing. Now that we've looked at what's staying the same, here's what's new in the Maker 3. The size and style is the same, but right now there's only one color option to choose from, which is blue for the Maker 3. More color options will likely come out down the road. There are three major changes between the Maker 3 and the original. The first is the mechanics of the Maker 3. It is 2 times faster than the original Maker, which is a pretty big deal when you're doing large or intricate projects. The second change is that the Maker 3 can cut new smart materials. These are specially designed so that they do not need to be on a mat. Much like the smart materials you can get for the Cricut Joy, these materials come adhered to a special backer that can feed through the machine without the need for a cutting mat. Because they aren't restricted to the size of a mat, these new smart materials can cut up to 12 feet long in one go. The third major change is the new addition of a Cricut roll holder attachment. This is an attachment that holds the new smart material rolls and will pull it out and cut directly from the roll. No more having to measure out and pre-cut the material and then stick it to a mat. If you don't already have a Maker, then this is a good time for you to make a switch. You really can't go wrong with either. But if you make a lot of products with your Cricut and you're tired of its speed, if you don't like having to deal with mats, or if you want to make large-scale projects, then going to the Maker 3 just makes sense. If you're debating between one of the other machines, you can check out one of these other videos and we'll go through their capabilities to help you make your decision. Well, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.